You know, every time I hear someone say that the semiconductor industry was stolen from the United States, I have to laugh because not because it's funny, because it's such a perfect example of the bubble narrative people have been living in since the 70s. The whole generation raised on the idea that America invented everything, owns everything, and anyone else got good at something, well, they must have stolen it. That's the story the textbook sold. That's the story the politicians sold. That's the story media sold. And now it's the story people repeat without ever checking the facts. But here's the sovereign truth, the kind of you only get when you step outside the bubble and actually look at the world as it is, not as the narrative machine packaged it. Nobody stole the semiconductor industry, not Taiwan, not Japan, not China, not other countries sneaking around like ninjas. Techs. The U.S. didn't get robbed, it got outworked. Semiconductors started in Bell Laboratory, and let's be honest, Bell Labs wasn't some isolated American genius factory. It was a full international of researchers, including Canadians, Europeans, and people from all over the world. Innovation was never been one country show, no matter how many times the textbook tries to paint it that way. But here's where the narrative breaks. While U.S. showed down, other countries sped up. While the U.S. cut manufacturing, others built factories. While the U.S. cut manufacturing, the others built fabs. While the U.S. outsourced, others invested. While the U.S. argued, others engineered. Taiwan didn't steal anything. They built TSMC from the ground up. Japan didn't steal anything. They dominated the memory chip market through sheer innovation. Korea didn't steal anything. They outscaled everyone with Samsung. That's not theft. That's what happens when you stop moving and everyone else keeps running. But the bubble narrative is strong. People were raised on it. Schools taught it. Politicians reinforced it. And now, when reality doesn't match the story, they panic and blame theft. It's easier to believe something was stolen than to admit you ever fell behind. But sovereignty, real sovereignty, starts by telling the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. The U.S. didn't lose the semiconductors because someone took them. It lost because it stopped investing in itself. And the world didn't wait. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.